Hello everyone. Once again, I welcome you all on my channel. In today's video, we will study the test of divisibility, which will help you all in the process of division to get the answer quickly. So let's start. First, we will study test of divisibility by 2. Numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the units place are divisible by 2. For example, 90, 22, 124, 76 and 158. If you will observe all these numbers carefully, you can see 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are in its units place. Therefore, you can say these all numbers are divisible by 2. Let's see the next test. Test of divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. For example, in the number 534, if you will do the sum of the digits, that is 5 plus 3 plus 4, you will get it 12, which is divisible by 3. Therefore, you can say 534 is also divisible by 3. Let's see the next test. Test of divisibility by 4. If the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4 or the last two digits are 0, that is 0 and 0, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, in the number 1248, if you will see the last two digits is 48, which is divisible by 4. Therefore, you can say 1248 is divisible by 4. Also see the next example. In the number 800, last two digits are 0 and 0. Therefore, 800 is divisible by 4. Let's see the next test. Test of divisibility by 5. If the digit 0 or 5 occurs in the units place of a number, then that number is divisible by 5. For example, 20 and 45. In the number 20, if you will observe, the unit place digit is 0, and in 45 the unit place digit is 5. Therefore, you can say 20 and 45 are divisible by 5. Let's see the next test. Test of divisibility by 6. If the sum of the digits of an even number is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 6. Or the number is divisible by 6 when it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, in the number 534, if we will take the sum of the digits, that is 5 plus 3 plus 4, you will get the sum 12, which is divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say 534 is also divisible by 6, as well as 534 is an even number. And if you will apply the second rule, that is also same, 534 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore, you can say it's also divisible by 6. Let's study next test. Test of divisibility by 7. Here you have to follow 3 steps. First step, you have to take the last digit and double it. Double it means you have to multiply it by 2. In the second step, you will subtract the result from the remaining digits. And third step, if the difference is divisible by 7, then the original number is also divisible by 7. For example, in the number 651. Now you have to follow 3 steps. First step, you will see the last digit. Last digit is 1 and that you have to double it. Means you have to multiply it by 2. Then second step, you have to subtract the result from the remaining digits. Now here the remaining digits are 65. From 65, you will subtract the result, that is 2. So you will get the difference 63 and the number 63 which is divisible by 7. Then you can say the number 651 is also divisible by 7. Let's study the next test. Test of divisibility by 8. If the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8 or the number ends with 3 zeros, that is 000, then the number is divisible by 8. For example, in the number 3192, if you will observe last 3 digits, the last 3 digits of this number is 192, which is divisible by 8. Therefore, we can say 3192 is divisible by 8. See the next example. In the number 2000, if you will observe, the last 3 digits are 000. Therefore, 2000 is also divisible by 8. Let's study next test. Test of divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. For example, in the number 1269, if we will take the sum of the digits, that is 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 9, you will get the sum 18, which is divisible by 9. Therefore, we can say 1269 is divisible by 9. Let's study the next test. Test of divisibility by 10. If the digit 0 occurs in the units place of a number, then that number is divisible by 10. For example, 40, 60, 700. If you will observe these numbers carefully, you can see the unit plate carries 0. Therefore, these all numbers are divisible by 10. Here I will conclude this topic. See you all soon. By the time, revise the concepts. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you are watching first time, then please view other videos on my channel to clear the basic concepts of maths. Thank you. Bye.